1 month, that's how long I lasted in my part-time job as a content creator in the UK. Was it actually worth it? Let me tell you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing really well. So I'm basically doing my masters from the UK. I'm doing masters in law. That's basically LLM. So it's not an untold fact that people when they're out for their masters वो पार्ट टाइम जॉब्स करते हैं, या तो वो जो करियर पाथ उन्होंने चूज किया है अब उसके हिसाब से अपने पार्ट टाइम जॉब्स करते हैं, या फिर जस्ट फॉर देयर टाइम पास और जस्ट टू अर्न एन एक्स्ट्रा पॉकेट मनी दे डू पार्ट टाइम जॉब्स. सो टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट विद यू, मेरा कोई प्लान नहीं था इन द बिगिनिंग और मे बी इन द फ्यूचर पार्ट टाइम जॉब करने का, बिकॉज इन द स्टार्टिंग आई जस्ट वांटेड टू सेटल डाउन. आई वांटेड टू अंडरस्टैंड लंदन. आई वांटेड टू सी वहां पे लाइफ कैसी है, मैं समझना चाहती थी सब कुछ. एंड फिर अगर मेरा इवेंचुअली मन करता या फिर कभी मन नहीं करता तो मैं जॉब नहीं करती. दैट वाज माय चॉइस बेसिकली. But I ended up doing this content creator job and my experience was not at all good. So let me tell you थोड़ी सी स्टोरी टेलिंग करते हैं. I'll just tell you कि मैंने अपना माइंड मेकअप कैसे किया, मुझे ये जॉब कैसे मिली एंड मैंने क्या क्या किया टू अप्लाई फॉर इट बेसिकली. नाउ टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट विद यू, एज आई सेड, मेरा कोई प्लान नहीं था कोई भी जॉब करने का फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, या फिर मैं कभी भी जॉब नहीं करती बिकॉज मेरा ऑनेस्टली इंटरेस्ट नहीं था. The only reason I did this job was because I love creating content, I love talking to the camera, and that's the sole reason why I did it. अब जब I've left the job in just a month, मैं आगे भी probably job नहीं करने वाली until unless I get something that's of my interest. So coming back to how I actually found the job. So basically मेरे जो college का Instagram page है, one fine day I was just scrolling, नया नया college था, so I was just scrolling the Instagram page, नए नए events हो रहे थे. I was just going through their stories and I saw their post that they were looking for a social media content creator. एंड मुझे समझ नहीं आया, थॉट लाइक सो मेनी पीपल विल अप्लाई फॉर इट, मैं करूँ ना करूँ. कॉलेज स्टार्ट हुए ज्यादा टाइम भी नहीं हुआ था. आई डिड नॉट इवन नो कि लंदन में जॉब्स का क्या कॉन्सेप्ट है, मुझे मिलेगी भी या नहीं मिलेगी, बिकॉज आई हर्ड and it's actually true that London में jobs मिलना next to impossible. Like it's very difficult. Like people apply for so many jobs and they don't end up getting it. Like बहुत हाथ पैर मारने पड़ते हैं. And then I thought कि कैसे होगा, but the pay was really nice. So I thought कि मेरी interest की भी job है, the pay is good and something I really love doing. So why not apply for it? So I made up my mind. I thought कि ठीक है, it's too soon. Maybe I was just meant to do the job because it's of my interest. तो मैंने सोचा मैं apply कर देती हूँ. Now मेरा CV, job letter, all the documents that you had to submit, मेरा कुछ भी नहीं बना हुआ था. So in one night what I did, मैंने अपना CV बनाया according to the job. I had put my YouTube, Instagram, everything on it. Then मैंने अपना job letter बनाया. I send them the links of my videos, my work, everything that I've done so far. मैंने सब कुछ बनाया. ठीक है, मुझे ज्यादा टाइम नहीं मिला, मैंने रात में बैठ के बस बना लिया था. वेरी सिंपल. नाउ आई मेल्ड देम एवरीथिंग इन वन नाइट, क्योंकि जिस दिन मैंने जॉब के बारे में पढ़ा था ना उसी दिन उस जॉब की क्लोजिंग थी. सो आई सेंड देम एवरीथिंग. आई थिंक 5 to 6 days हो गए थे. आई डिड नॉट रिसीव एनी कंफर्मेशन एंड वन फाइन डे in the morning I received that I've been selected. So I was extremely happy because this is something I love doing. The money doesn't matter, but I love creating content. So I was like super excited. Now after doing everything, after uploading my CV, my job letter, my work links and everything, I mailed them. It had been 5 to 6 days. मुझे उनसे कोई reply नहीं आया था. And one fine day I received a mail in the morning, I think after 5 to 6 days, that I had been selected. I was super happy because I love creating content. अब इसके बाद this was not it. Once you get a job in London, it's not very small. उसके बाद ना वो शेयर कोड लेते हैं, आपका BRP, आपकी वेरिफिकेशन करते हैं, इवन whether you are even permitted to do a job or not. बहुत बहुत सारे ना फॉर्मेलिटीज थे. अब मुझे ये नहीं पता हर जॉब में ऐसा होता है नहीं, बिकॉज आई ऑब्वियसली हैवंट वर्क बिफोर, बट इस जॉब में बहुत ज्यादा था. इन्होंने मेरी पहले वेरिफिकेशन की. दे सेंट मी लाइक 5 to 6 डॉक्यूमेंट्स जो मुझे सारे ना भर के भेजने थे इन्हें. दैट वाज वन स्टेप. आफ्टर दैट जब उन्होंने सारे मेरे डॉक्यूमेंट्स अप्रूव कर दिए थे, आगे उन्होंने मेरे मैनेजर को भेज दिए. उसके बाद उन्होंने मेरी वीडियो कॉल पे वेरिफिकेशन की. वीडियो कॉल पे उन्होंने अपनी ब्रीफिंग दी कि हाउ you will be paid, कैसे होगा. So mostly jobs in UK you get paid every week, but in this job I was getting paid every month. So ऐसे system था. उन्होंने मुझे वीडियो कॉल पे, they were very nice, they explained me everything. ठीक है, but this was not my college who FaceTime me, like that department, the content creation social media team did not FaceTime me. उनकी आगे कंपनी थी who handle their jobs and everything में यूनिवर्सिटी के. उन्होंने मुझे वीडियो कॉल पे सब कुछ समझाया. They did all the briefing and everything. अब क्या हुआ था कि after the verification also they had told me that it will take like a few days कि your manager will contact you. And another thing they told me कि मेरी job का ऐसे होगा कि I'll be paid per video according to the hours given. तो अगर short video है तो वो कुछ घंटे के लिए पे करेंगे, अगर long video है तो ज्यादा घंटों के लिए पे करेंगे. Now they told me that the next step will be that my manager will contact me. मेरी verification वगैरह सब हो चुकी थी, बस वो approve होनी थी. And next thing was manager will contact me. Now आफ्टर दिस आई एक्सपेक्टेड कि एक मैनेजर को कितना टाइम ही लगेगा टू कॉन्टैक्ट मी. आई थॉट मैक्सिमम दे गोना टेक इज प्रॉब्ली 4 to 5 days and then my job will start. For almost 1.5 to 2 weeks, I had no reply. I don't know what were they doing, but I did not get any reward back from them. Finally, my manager, they did not give me any contact information. They were contacting me over email. तो उन्होंने मुझे finally contact किया. ठीक है, I received like this long of a mail. उसमें उन्होंने सब कुछ बताया हुआ था. Now what they told me was that I have no minimum or maximum videos that I have to create. It's up to me. I can create any number of videos. Now, what does this mean? This means that it's according to me. Like if I want to create more content, I can create. If I want to create less content, I can create less content. Now, this means that it is up to me. I can create जितना चाहे मैं उतना content create कर सकती हूँ. There was no limit set that इतने minimum है इतना maximum है. ठीक है, and that was my mindset that I can create either less videos if I'm busy or I can create more videos if I feel like earning more money and if I'm enjoying the work. Now what happened? इन्होंने ये मेल भेजी मुझे ब्रीफिंग वगैरह करने के बाद. अभी भी दे डिड नॉट असाइन मी माय वर्क. अनदर 1 week दे टुक. ठीक है, माय जॉइनिंग डेट आई थिंक वाज अराउंड 22nd. ये करते करते अगले महीने का पता नहीं मिड आ गया था. Then they finally sent me a mail in which they asked me that you have been selected, all your documentation has been done, blah blah blah, now we can start working. ठीक है, they did not give me their contact information. तब भी सब कुछ मेल पे चल रहा था. Now they asked me कि क्या कहते हैं कि you can give us some video suggestions, we can start creating content, just mail us कि आपके दिमाग में कोई videos है that we can create for the page. Now I was super excited. Now when they asked me for ideas, I was like super excited. I thought I'm going to give them the best of the ideas so that I'm like their favorite content creator and my content does really well on their page, so that they keep on creating videos with me, and मैं जितने videos उन्हें suggest करूँ, with time they approve like even more videos. So what they did was I gave them like you can say 10 to 12 मैंने वीडियो आइडियाज भेजे थे, बट ऑब्वियसली वाज माय स्टार्टिंग, सो आई डिड नॉट एक्सपेक्ट कि वो सारे अप्रूव कर देंगे. मेरे दिमाग में था 3-4 कर देंगे अप्रूव, एंड आई कैन लाइक स्टार्ट क्रिएटिंग कंटेंट. देन आई गिव देम लाइक वेरी गुड आइडियाज. ठीक है, अब क्या हुआ, मैंने उन्हें मेल करा. आई थॉट बाय द सेम डे, बिकॉज आई मेल देम, जैसे उनका मेल आया ना मुझे, मैंने उनको, यू वोंट बिलीव, आई वाज सो एक्साइटेड. विद इन 15 मिनट्स आई रिवर्टेड बैक. ठीक है, मैंने उनको रिवर्ट बैक कर दिया जल्दी से. आई एक्सप्लेन, मैंने ऐसे लिखा था, वीडियो नीचे नीचे आइडिया, देन वीडियो नीचे आइडिया, व्हाट द वीडियो कॉन्सेप्ट इज गोइंग टू बी अबाउट. And I thought that I've replied to them early in the morning, so they'll probably revert back by afternoon or evening. They did not reply to me for 3 days. Now finally they mailed me. The good part is they finally mailed me and they said, "Okay, we're gonna go with 2 videos." And I was like, "ठीक है, like they're just starting with me. They need to build some trust." So ठीक है, 2 videos उन्होंने approve करे, and they said that we're gonna do 2 videos and we're gonna pay you for 2 hours per video. That's a total of 4 hours in that week. Now I did not know whether they're going to give me more videos in that week, but I was like fine, ठीक है, पहला week है, 4 hours, not that bad. ठीक है, so now अब मेरे दिमाग में ना थोड़े questions थे videos को लेके, because I'm just starting, I wanted them to like my content. तो मैंने उन्हें अपनी query भेज दी थी कि ऐसे ऐसे करना है या कैसे करना है, within 10 minutes. ठीक है, जैसे उनका मेल आया था. I again did not receive any reply the entire day. नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग व्हाट हैपेंड वाज, मैंने जब उनको अपनी क्वेरी भेजी, मैंने उन्हें ये नहीं बोला था कि मैं वीडियो नहीं बना पाऊंगी और एनीथिंग. आई वाज ऑल रेडी विद माय स्क्रिप्ट एंड एवरीथिंग. आई जस्ट हैड लाइक अ टाइनी बिट ऑफ अ क्वेरी एंड आई जस्ट वांटेड दैट टू बी क्लियर्ड. एंड दे मेल्ड मी द नेक्स्ट डे दैट यू कैन गो फॉरवर्ड विद वन वीडियो. जो दूसरा वीडियो है ना, इट वाज समथिंग अबाउट फूड और समथिंग, वो हमने किसी और क्रिएटर को दे दिया है. Now that's very unprofessional because I was already, everything was prepared, my script was prepared, everything. But मैंने उन्हें ऐसा कुछ मेल नहीं किया in return कि why are you cancelling it end moment, एक दिन बाद क्यों reply करके बोल रहे हो. Because I had just started working with them and I did not want to give like a bad impression, or I did not want to like argue just कि एक हफ्ता हुआ है job का and I start arguing with them. So I was like fine, whatever, like एक video है, that means one video 2 hours of pay. Now instead of 4 hours, I was just getting paid for 2 hours. एक वीडियो उन्होंने मेरा कट कर दिया था. I was like a little bit disappointed, but I thought if I make like a really nice video, they're gonna understand my work, and next week se they're gonna give me more work. So I was like, be patient, be patient. Now, even though I had just one video to create for them, I was like super excited. I thought, it's my university. I'm gonna come on the Instagram page, and everybody in my uni will watch. People in my class will watch, and like I post on my Instagram, people will see that I started working for my university. I'm in their social media team. So I was like really happy. Now, मैंने ना क्या किया, I was super excited. So within like 2 or 2.5 days, I did the script, I did the recording, editing, everything, and I submitted the video. तो उनका अगले दिन ही I got the mail. They said the video is wonderful, we love it, thank you so much, and करके उन्होंने कर दिया. अब Now the thing is that in UK as a student you can work 20 hours per week. मेरा 1 week खत्म हो गया था. 1 week मैंने बस 2 घंटे काम किया था. That was that video. ठीक है. अब मेरे जॉब में ऐसा था. My job's pay was a bit unusual. As I told you, I used to get paid per hour per video. मतलब आई यूज टू गेट पेड अकॉर्डिंग टू द वीडियो एंड वीडियो के आवर्स पहले से वो बता देते. तो मेरी ना टाइम शीट टाइप थी. वंस आई वाज डन सबमिटिंग द वीडियो मुझे टाइम शीट भरनी होती थी बिफोर मंडे कि मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया है 2 घंटे के लिए और इतना पे होगा उसका. ठीक है. मैंने वो टाइम शीट सबमिट कर दी थी अपनी आफ्टर सबमिटिंग द वीडियो. नाउ आई वाज एक्साइटेड दैट लाइक आई सबमिटेड वन वीडियो, दे गोना पोस्ट इट, दे गोना सी द व्यूज अच्छे आ रहे हैं, ये आ रहे हैं, एंड नाउ अगले हफ्ते दे गोना गिव मी मोर वीडियोज. बट दैट इज नॉट व्हाट हैपेंड. The weirdest thing happened. They vanished for about 1.5 week. I did not get any work for next 1.5 week, and I mailed them also beach mein कि like, are you guys, do you want me to make any content, do you have any events upcoming that I can shoot for, blah blah blah. And I had no reply for them, which was extremely unprofessional. Now finally what happened, एक या 1.5 हफ्ते बाद आई गेट अ मेल फ्रॉम देम एंड दे सेड दैट दे वांट टू क्रिएट सम टिकटॉक कंटेंट एंड लाइक कोई तब क्या कहते हैं टिकटॉक ट्रेंडिंग में था बहुत ज्यादा. दे सेंट मी लाइक अ सैंपल एंड दे सेड दैट इफ आई हैव आइडियाज फॉर इट और आई कैन क्रिएट सम, एंड दे सेड दैट इफ आई हैव एनी आइडियाज फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर ट्रेंड जो उस टाइम पे टिकटॉक पे चल रहा था, आई कैन गिव देम. नाउ my job was for Instagram and TikTok is not my forte because like the trend was very funny and I'm not good at making funny reels, so that's not something I'm pathetic at. So what I did was मैंने थोड़ा Google किया, TikTok देखा, मुझे जो समझ में आया because I just wanted that they give me at least one video. 1.5 हफ्ता हो चुका था, they had given me no work and जिस हफ्ते में उन्होंने मुझे काम दिया था that was just like one video which is useless. It's better that I don't do such a job. नाउ व्हेन आई मेल देम 3 दिन उन्होंने मुझे कोई रिप्लाई नहीं दिया. ठीक है. एंड मेरे दिमाग में था भी दैट लाइक आई एम नॉट गुड विद टिकटॉक, आई एम नॉट गुड विद फनी कंटेंट, सो दे प्रॉब्ली लाइक नॉट इवन सिलेक्ट माय वीडियो. 3 दिन बाद उनका मुझे मेल आया दैट वी हैव गिवन द वीडियो टू समबडी एल्स. सो एंड आई वाज लाइक फाइन, लाइक दे हैव गिवन द वीडियो टू समबडी एल्स एंड आई एम नॉट इवन गुड विद टिकटॉक. आई वाजंट इवन एक्सपेक्टिंग इट. आई थॉट कि अब कल या परसों में दे विल गिव मी मोर वर्क, लाइक उनको फाइनली जाग गया, दे आर अप अगेन एंड दे विल गिव मी मोर वर्क. Now, this is when the weirdest thing happened. They literally vanished for about 2 to 2.5 weeks. Literally vanished. I did not receive any mail from them for 2 to 2.5 weeks. I am working for them. They told me that I have no minimum or maximum videos I can create according to myself, and they literally vanished. Now, after 2 to 2.5 weeks, they wake up and they send me a mail saying, "Ke they finally mail me and they say that International Students Day is coming, so we're looking for some international students who can make some content." And they said that they want some content for International Students Day, and like tab na I remember weekday tha koi and Sunday ko International Students Day tha. So I sent them like 6 ideas and I thought कि एक तो select करेंगे. They selected one idea, ठीक है, and I was happy again कि finally they have given me work again. Again they said कि एक video है and they're going to pay me for 2 hours, and it was like a short video, it was like a sit down video, so I was happy with the pay and the pay was good. So मेरे को पता था इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स डे वाले दिन मैंने सबमिट करना होगा वीडियो और उसी दिन पोस्ट करना होगा, उससे पहले सबमिट कर दूंगी. सो मैंने जल्दी जल्दी वीडियो बना के इन आई थिंक 1 or 2 days I submitted them the video. Now, International Student Day comes and they did not even post the video. I don't know what they were doing on their Instagram page. I have never seen such a weird page that International Students Day ke liye they are paying me, they are getting a video made, and they did not put it on International Students Day only. After I was done with that video, ठीक है, again मैंने अपनी time sheet भर दी for 2 hours, ठीक है, again they completely vanished. Now, honestly, I had lost trust in them. मुझे आगे कोई expectation नहीं थी इनसे, and they did the same thing. They vanished again. Now, I finally mailed them that, like, what is this? ये क्या मतलब, what is this? You're not giving me any videos, and you told me there's no minimum, maximum, and I don't want to work further or whatever. And they told me, just can you believe it what they told me? They told me that we had cleared it in the beginning. It's a very ad hoc role, and we will only ask you to make videos when it's required. And हमारे जो पुराने creators भी है ना, who are working and who are like our best creators, they make maximum of 2 videos per month. They never told me this. I would have never ever done this job. It's not about money, but I would have never done such a useless job where I'm not even earning money and where the people I'm working for are literally sleeping. So I never told this, and they told me that they had already informed in the beginning of the job that you will have to submit videos only when it's required. They told me there's no minimum or there's no maximum. You can make as many videos as you can. And I was super disappointed. Like I realized so many things at that time that like I shouldn't have worked in the beginning, and wasted like one not 1.5 months, but like I wasted more than 1 month working for them, and just waiting they'll mail me, they'll like my expectation out of this job was that I'll get to make lots of content, I'll make videos, I'll be on the Instagram page, and like I'll get to interact with students around, I'll have like a social media team, we'll have fun, we'll make content, we'll make a lot of content for events that will happen in our university. And they have like a very nice Instagram page, they have lots of followers, so I'll get to do a lot with their social media team. But it was very disappointing, and like I had very high expectations at such a big exposure, and like I had a lot in my mind. Now finally I decided that this is like a waste of my time, and I did not even reply to them. I just decided to quit. I did not even waste my time arguing with them or asking them that आपने मुझे पहले नहीं बताया, ये नहीं किया. I just decided to leave, and I left the job. I honestly have no plans of doing a job now. Like I don't feel like doing a job. Like I don't know if I'll ever find like a job of my interest in London. But currently I have like no zero plans of working again. But I have learned a lot from this. I have learned, and I will tell you guys also that please, whenever you're looking for a job, just don't fall for the description. Please do your research. Please read about the job. Read कि कितने working hours हैं. Are you satisfied कि जितने working hours they are giving you उससे you are okay? And if they have just written ऐसी चीजें like lame चीजें कि no minimum working hours or something, don't fall for it. Please ask them कि minimum working hours क्या है, maximum working hours क्या है, and like do your proper research. If they write such lame things, then ask them questions, and make sure that wherever you are working, proper management, everything is very systematic, and everything is clear to you beforehand. Like I am telling you from my experience, like I really don't want you guys to end up in a job like this where you don't get to work only, you don't earn anything from it. Yes, I definitely believe कि अगर they were paying me less and they would have given me like more videos, I would have happily done this job for some time at least, because I love creating content, and there is something I believe passion is over money. And like I love creating content. अगर मुझे काम देते, I would have definitely done it. But in my situation, nor was I earning money, nor was my passion getting fulfilled, because I was not even creating content. So yes, if you have passion for something, definitely do it, even if they're paying you less. But there should be a balance. Either you are earning money out of it, either you are getting to do what you love doing. अगर दोनों नहीं है, then just leave it. Would I recommend this job to anybody? No, I wouldn't recommend it. I believe that you should definitely do something that you love doing, and that's in the first place why I did this job, because I love creating content. But if you're not even getting paid for it, and if even if you can't pursue your passion, that is mine was creating content. मुझे वो भी करने को नहीं मिल रहा था, nor was I earning. So such a job I will never ever recommend. And I really, really hope that you guys get to learn from my experience that whenever you are planning to do a job or looking for a job, you should read all the instructions, you should do your research, you should talk to the management, you should not fall for any false lies, you should ask them questions, make sure everything is systematic, you know how many hours you're gonna get, you know कि कितना pay है, कितना you're gonna get paid, कितने घंटे के लिए you'll get work. Everything is very crystal clear in front of your eyes. And I really hope that you guys get to learn something from my experience. And I also really hope that you like the video. And I really hope you like my video. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe. If you like my video, do like my video. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. And thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.